Abdul Basit, maybe our brother Ashmir. If one of your kids had asked you a very essential question about the existence of Allah, about why am I a Muslim, how do you respond? Which topics that you need to tackle with your kids? And to be honest with you, I'm getting lots of feedbacks from the kids that some of the parents might be afraid to talk with their mothers, with their fathers about certain topics. They might come to the imam and share with the imam what they cannot share with their parents. Still, it is something good, but this is not actual healthy relationship. The healthy relationship is based on the communication. And not only this, we are all here parents, fathers and mothers, responsible for our kids. And no matter what, sometimes even if our kids wanted to talk about marriage in Islam, sometimes they wanted to talk about the specifications that they might have, the requirements for the bride, for the groom, talking about the future. Some of the parents might think, that is out of Islam, and that is not respecting. You are out of the ethics, the morals. We need to talk with our kids about everything. And especially in this country, I'm telling this, and Allah is my witness, whether you guys ignored my message, or even if you follow this, at least from the position of the responsibility as an imam, I will stand before Allah and I will say to Allah, I talked with them, but they didn't pay attention. We need to facilitate the halal for our kids. We need to make things halal. Marriage, we need to make things easy. Don't put lots of requirements. Don't say, no, he must be from our culture. He must be from our country. He must be this. He must have a PhD. He must have this. Because the choices are not a lot. And to be honest, I have some of our sisters, some of our young females, they were so desperate to the point that they said, we do not have halal choices in this country. Actually, we need to work on this. And from my side, I can tell you, inshallah, next Thursday, and you guys can tell each other, next Thursday, we will have the first matrimonial event in our masjid, in the hall after the Tarawih, under the supervision of the Imam. I will give the first session of teaching how to get a good choice and how to choose based on the Quran and the Sunnah, based on the religion, not than the tradition. We need to change the notion. We need to take an action for our kids before it is too late. So please inform each other. All what I want from those who will participate, everyone is welcome. And singles, divorced, widows, all the brothers, all the sisters, the parents, their families. So make that and mark this. And I'm going to share the flyer with all of you. Next Thursday, after Tarawih Salah, inshallah. Here in the hall, we will have some desserts, some snacks, and everyone is going to listen to that lecture. We are going to talk with the families. They are going to see each other, see the potential, see the description, see the specifics that they might want. Let's open a new gate of hope for our kids. It is our mission. The mission of the Imam is not only to read Salah Allah grant our kids the tawfiq and guide them to the right path. We have a question from Brother Ismail, and he have a little prize, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum. Still tonight also we have another coin, but there's a question, it's free. The question is simple and easy. Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we have how many kids? How many kids? 7. Can you name them? Anybody could name them quickly?
Abu Qasim, Zainab, Ruqayya, Fatima, Abdullah.
Ibrahim. He's winning. But one more question behind that. Who the mother of those kids? Who's the mother of those kids? Maria. Bravo. Dr. Rahim winner.
Inshallah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless all of us, Allahumma ameen. Inshallah, we are going to talk more and more. Please spread the word for the matrimonial event on Thursday, the next Thursday, after Salat al-Tarawih, inshallah. We ask, inshallah, very soon, I'm going to send you the flyers for the Quran competition, the Islamic knowledge competition, the Ijaza exam date. So inshallah, we will have the announcement of the winners for all of those things on the night of the 27th of Ramadan, inshallah. Let's raise our hands and may Allah grant us the acceptance of our siyam. اللهم لك الحمد يا ربنا كما تحب وكما ترضى. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. اللهم تقبل صيامنا وصلاتنا وركوعنا وسجودنا. اللهم اختم بالباقيات الصالحات أعمالنا. اللهم توفنا مسلمين وألحقنا بالصالحين واحشرنا يا ربنا في زمرة خير المرسلين. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. Jazakallah khairan for listening. Before the adhan, let me give my thanks and appreciation of the entire community to the leader of our youth group. He is actively in the community involved. A man that we are so proud of him to be one of our community members. A man, he is the son of our brother Ibrahim, and the son of our Dr. Shahina. They actually must be proud of him. Great example in the ethics, in the morals. Great example for all the youth, actually. Dr. Muhammad Faith. Thank you so much for being one of our community members. You are a great example of a great man, of a great Muslim who have the ethics and the morals. I want to thank also Sister Asila, his wife, for all the support, the generosity that she is doing for our community. Can you give her please round of applause? To Dr. Shahina and for Brother Ibrahim and for the whole family. Allahu Akbar.
حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر لا